Cam, looking forward to it. Well, if your weekend plans include heading out onto the frozen lakes, this could be the last weekend it's safe to be on the ice. 27 Storm Track meteorologist Blaise Keller is breaking down the science behind how ice forms and why warmer weather ahead means we won't be able to keep the thick ice cover on our lakes.
Despite the recent reports coming out of lakelink.com from anglers who have ventured out on the ice in Dane County, as we look ahead to the extended forecast, we are not seeing conditions needed to really thicken up the ice on our lakes. And we're going to talk about that in more detail here in just a moment. Remember, no ice is 100% safe, and these reports are not consistent. So some of these could be a few days old, but they're the most recent posting that we were able to find. Transitioning from fall into winter, cooler air brushes over a surface of water. That near surface water then cools, becomes more dense, heavier, sinks to lower parts of the lake or body of water and is replaced by warmer water. That cycle continues until ice forms. Now, once that ice does form, we build upon that ice, make it thicker, allowing heat to escape from the water below that column of ice. So that's the way that we build that ice and become more thicker as we move throughout winter. However, there are some factors that work against ice formation. For example, snow on top of ice slows down and limits the ability of heat loss. So we're not able to really build upon that ice if there's a lot of snow on top of the ice. Air above freezing, obviously that's going to be inhibiting our ice growth, and open bodies of water are not going to be suitable for ice growth as well. Again, we want to make that ice thick, and we have to have that formation. If you have open water, you don't have that solid formation of ice. So what do we need for that really consistent thick ice growth? Little to no snow on top of the ice, no open water, and air temperatures at or below 20 degrees for optimal ice growth, especially prolonged cold, because water holds heat for a long time. It takes longer to cool the body of water going into winter, and it takes longer for bodies of water to warm up coming out of winter going into summer. And as we look ahead to some of our longer range forecasts, you can see there that bullseye of near 90 to 100% chance of warmer than average temperatures looks to sit over Wisconsin as we head into February. So ice fishers or folks who just want to get out and enjoy the ice as we make our way through winter, please make sure that you are staying up to date on the forecast and using extreme caution as we move into February if you plan to venture out on that ice.